Hello, I'd like to talk a little bit about the Module 2 critical thinking assignment, and more specifically, I'd like to talk about option 2, the cost of fencing a garden. So this problem says that we've got a property owner and you want to fence a garden adjacent to a road. And the fencing next to the road is stronger and costs $6 per foot. Okay. Let's stop there and start drawing a picture. So I'm going to put here a road. So this is the road. And we're going to put a garden next to the road. And I'm just going to make this edge really a little bit thicker. We're told that this is a stronger fencing. And this side is going to be $6. Was it feet or meters? Let's go back and check the problem. Per foot. Okay, so let's go $6 per foot. And then we've got some more information. So let's keep reading. It says the fencing on the other side costs $4 per feet. So let's go back to our diagram. So this side is going to be $4 per foot. Sorry, I had the wrong numbers. $4 per foot. Same thing for this side, $4 per foot. And the same thing for this side, $4 per foot. And then if we were to think about how long these sides are, we could label the sides, maybe this side is length X, which would mean this side is length X, and the other sides we could call length Y. So already we might have an idea of the cost for the garden. The side next to the road, $6 per feet, and then how many feet do we have? We have X feet. So the cost of that side would be 6X. And then if we look at all the other sides here, we've got $4 times Y for this side. And then down here, we've got $4 times X and $4 times Y for the other side. Let's go back to the problem. It says the area of the garden is 2,400 square feet. So the other information is that the area is 2,400 square feet. Now, in terms of the area, we know that one side is length X and the other side length Y. So we could write an equation here, 2,400 or 2,400 equals X times Y. So what I recommend for this problem is that you use the cost equation and this equation for area and work with those two equations to try to solve for X and Y. And my hint is, and I think they asked us to do this in one of the parts of the problem, they ask us to find a function that represents the cost in terms of one of the sides. So if we go back here, my hint is maybe take this area and write it, maybe you could solve for X. You could say 2,400 divided by Y equals X. And now that you know what X is, you could go plug that in up here for your cost function. Maybe that would be helpful. Or maybe you could solve for Y.